In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice in PayPal. This is a simple process that can save you a lot of time and help streamline your business transactions. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just looking to get paid for some personal work, PayPal offers a robust and user-friendly platform for invoicing. Let's get started. First, navigate to the PayPal homepage. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in paypal.com. Once you're on the site, you'll need to access your account. Click on Login at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Input those details carefully, ensuring there are no typos. When you're ready, click the Login button to proceed to your PayPal dashboard. Now that you're logged in, move over to the Business Tools section of your dashboard. If you don't see it immediately, look for a button that says Show All to have all the available tools visible. Within the Business Tools menu, locate the section titled Request Payments. Here, you should see the Invoicing option. Click on it to start the invoicing process. You'll land on a page where you can begin to create your invoice. If this is your first time, you'll see a Get Started button. Click it and you'll be guided through the setup. Now you're ready to create a new invoice. Hit the Create New Invoice button, which will pull up a template where you can start adding in all the necessary details. At this point, you'll want to enter the customer's email address along with other relevant information such as their name and billing address. Don't worry, PayPal makes it easy to input these details correctly. Next, you'll fill in the invoice contents, which include item descriptions, quantities, and prices. PayPal also allows you to personalize your invoice by adding a company logo, choosing a template, or even including a special delivery message. These features help to give your invoice a professional look and make it more personal and engaging for your clients. Once you've filled out all the information, it's always a good idea to preview the invoice. This will let you see exactly what your customer will receive, giving you the chance to catch any mistakes or make last-minute adjustments. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click Send. Your invoice is now on its way to the customer. One handy feature PayPal provides is the ability to share a direct link to the invoice. After creating it, you can easily share this link through email or any other communication platform, making it convenient for customers to view and pay their bills. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to create and send invoices using PayPal. This method not only ensures your billing process remains organized, but also enhances the payment experience for your clients. Thanks for tuning in and happy invoicing.